Let's go through leak code 958, check completeness of a binary tree. You give us a binary tree, and let's try to see whether it is complete binary tree or not. The definition of a complete binary tree is that every level except possible the last is complete field. And all the nodes in the last are as far left as possible. So let's look at the example one. The layer, for example, one, this is complete. Complete field. 2, 3, they are complete field, and 4, 5, 6, they are all on the left. So this is complete binary tree. In example 2, 1 is complete, 2, 3 is complete, 4, 5, 7 is not on the left because on 7 is not on the left most because on its left 3 has a left child which is none, so this is return false. So for this question we can do BFS to put those kind of nodes, include none into the queue, and we iterate layer by layer. And if, for example, we have a tree node, and before we iterated this tree node, we already see a none. That means this is not complete. So let's write code for this. Here, because we want to put every node include a none, tree node, every tree node include none into the queue. So we have to use a linked list. One of the differences between linked list and array deck is that array deck, you cannot put the null nodes into array deck. So we have a Boolean C none false. And let's have Q offer is root while Q is not empty. Q equals Q the pool. So we write if this node equals none, right? We just change the flag C none. That's true. Else if it's none, we want to say if this C none is true, that means before this node we have seen a none. We already iterated none, like the example 2, just return false. And we don't need to judge whether it's left or right is none or not. We just put everything the left node and right node into the queue. So after iteration, if we jump out of the while loop, that means we didn't terminate in this line. So that is we didn't see any null nodes before the last node. So we return true. So for this kind of question, we use queue, right? And we use a BFS, we iterate every node. So the time complexity is ON, space complexity is also ON.